So basically he's asking if medical marijuana is permissible.
I think we have to try it first.
مرحبا وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
يا شيخ اليوم بالغلط وقعت ووقع في تمي شاورما مع زيادة طحينية.
نعم.
وكمان قطعة تفاح وتقريبا 3 لتر مي. فمش عارف هل أكمل صيامي ولا أطعمني الله وسقاني.
What about the kids? They don't want that's old man stuff. So the kid said, "You know what, Dad? Just let me have one of these."
And we have Sufyan from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I'm your big fan. May Allah bless you, Sheikh.
Ameen, Jazakallah khair. May Allah promote you to an air conditioner.
Oh, bo.
Question is that in schools they teach it that gender is up to you, what you believe you are, a male, female, or in between. So
I'm a bird.
Sheikh, why do you look so cute on TV? Oh, I had it upside down.
See, men, their focus is women. Am I right?
The Arabic language is extremely important. We start with alif, we move to ba, ta, tha. Once you get to tha, then you're going to go to the gym.
Do all Muslims have to wear a beard? Actually, no, not the girls.
قلت له طيب هل تذكر طوال التاريخ القديم أو اليوم أن عالما من علماء المسلمين تحول نصرانيا؟
Then I asked him that, okay, have you ever heard before or now, in the past or present, that one of the great scholars of Islam has left Islam and gone to another faith?
He said no. Then I said why?
قال لا فقلت لماذا?
They bring it to you, Mr. Pakistani father. But look what I got. 95. What do? Next time get 100.
Let's see how it works, mashallah. Oh, wow, subhanallah, wow, that worked. I better turn it off. How do you switch it off, bro?
How many of you would like to know the secret on how to get real degrees the easy way? Go to the local pharmacy and buy a thermometer. It's loaded with degrees.
We have men divorcing their wives. Why? Said, why did you divorce her? Well, Sheikh, she prepared the food and the salt was too much.
Subhanallah. And if we don't empower the children, what's going to happen? I would really... What happened? Something? Okay, it's fine. That's because I said I was Android. Maybe. Allahu A'lam. I'll find out later. Guys, I'll fix you guys if you've done something wrong. To fight the coronavirus, you need to have a strong immune system. To develop that strong immune system, you need to put your phone away and go to bed. So go to bed.